All right. Okay, we're back on the Blazer. She's still smoking and dripping from this side of the exhaust, but it's not true dual, so that really doesn't mean a whole lot for this. But after doing the cylinder compression check, I know that cylinder 1 is pretty rough. And to be honest with you guys, I'm gonna go take it on the road here. You know, got my bucket seat, and I'm just gonna run the dog piss out of it and see if it comes out of it. Update, it's stalled. It's right over there. I'm running back to my house right now because I'm only about, shoot, half a mile away. So I'm running right now. I'm gonna go get a jump pack, bring the jump pack back, then get it started, and then get it out of there. Thankfully, I was on a hill so I could roll back and get it on the side of the road. At least it's a nice sunset. Oh boy. I just need to swap the motor out and quit dealing with this hunk of garbage. I got the battery. Charger, whatever. It's right there. Nobody stole it. Shocker. I'm really just trying to get it out of the road so a cop doesn't stop and see that I have literally no interior in it and I was driving it on the road. Anyway, I'll let you guys know when it gets started. Remember to charge your battery packs, folks. This sucks. But I did bring my truck this time, so I'll just bring it over here at some point. I brought jumper cables, so we're gonna get out of this eventually. Well, we finally got it. She started again. What a hunk of garbage. She needs everything, boys. Somebody come take it off my hands. Oh. Okay. Bad news. Thought I was gonna be smart. I left it running, right? I'm not that stupid. I would not shut it off and be like, it'll start again. No, I left it running. I get back. It's dead. Great. So I'm going back to the truck. I'm gonna drive the Blazer back, park my truck, and then I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna park the Blazer in the house. And then I'm gonna go get the truck. Okay, we're back moving with this thing. I'll go pick up my truck after I get this piece of garbage parked. Holy cow. What a pile. Yep, she stalled right there. Don't worry, Baxter, I'm coming back. So we've got, it just wants to stall all the time. So obviously the timing's messed up. I thought I was gonna do that tonight, but I just want to take it for a drive and see what it was feeling like. And then it turned into rescue it on the side of the road. So yeah, I'm gonna walk back to my truck now and I'll figure out that thing later. It's probably gonna just stay parked there for tonight and it's gonna think about its actions. Okay, let's try it again. So my dad taught me a trick that I haven't tried yet. I think the alternator's bad, and a trick to do it is we're gonna start it back up again, get it running, then we're gonna pull the positive battery cable, and if the alternator's bad, it'll die. Obviously, for obvious reasons, but yeah, if it keeps running, we know the alternator's not bad, and I've got a serious ground issue somewhere, but I'm really hoping it's as simple as an alternator. Let's try it. All right, we'll charge it up a little bit, and we'll go fire it up, and then I'll pull the battery cable and see if it stays alive. All right. Come on, baby. Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. Okay. Well, let's try it out here. Does it look like the alternator's gonna explode? No. Also doesn't help that it just sounds like it wants to die. Get this disconnected. Put that back on. There we go. There we go. Oh, stop wanting to die. Okay, let's get this out of the way. No, I'm gonna have to start it again. Okay. The alternator's bad, guys. Oh my God, it was immediate. It's really smart. It helps when your dad's been a mechanic for 30 years. But yeah, so the alternator's bad. We got her parked. She stalled right here. Do I have it in park? Okay, good. Okay. Oh, shoot. Well, I ran over the extension cord. That kind of sucks. That's okay, though. Let's disconnect this. This thing does work. I didn't wait long enough the last time. So, to at least try to preserve the battery, we'll put the boost. I got a trickle charger right here. We'll put that on it, so that way at least it does that.